Don't stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you.
Message ko kay Kali, sana anak pag nakita mo to, paglaki mo, sana isa ka ng mabuting nilalang. Sana maging mabuti kang tao. Sana magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos. Kasi yun yung number one. Kailangan may takot ka sa Diyos. Kasi pag meron ka nun, everything follows.
I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say.
Message ko kay Kali, salamat kasi dumating siya sa life namin kasi kinumpleto niya yung family namin. Marami na nag-wish sa kanya na magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos or maging healthy siya. Ang gagawin ko na lang, siguro promise na lang na andito kami ng daddy mo kahit anong mangyari. Nandito kami para sa'yo palagi. I love you.
Different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
And sa maging mabuti kang tao, yun lang naman talaga. Yun yung pinakagusto ko. Kasi bukod sa lahat, bukod sa pagiging mayaman, maging successful, basta maging mabuting tao ka lang. Yun okay ako dun.
When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart. Always.
Yun lang. And sana maging successful ka, hindi ka maging makulit na estudyante, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Kahit hindi naman, pero sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Kailangan lang maging madiskarte ka sa buhay. Yun.